Yo, hi guys. Today I actually made a new game mode from Geometry Dash. Basically, what it's called the Scrub Game Mode. As you can see on the description, I don't know what the description is, but basically it's a wave cube. Okay, click, 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 and then you can hold. Okay, so I'm gonna try beating the level. If everybody likes and subscribes, I might beat the level. Oh, 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 let's go! You guys should try out this level yourselves, and um you should copy the level and make your own level with it, and then comment down on one of my posts or something, and I'll see your level. Okay. Well, anyways, bye.